Welcome to our exploration of the best places to visit in Israel, a country that beautifully intertwines ancient history with modern vibrancy. Nestled at the crossroads of Europe, Asia, and Africa, Israel boasts a rich tapestry of cultures, religions, and landscapes that beckon travelers from around the globe. From the bustling streets of Jerusalem, where sacred sites like the Western Wall and the Dome of the Rock stand as testaments to millennia of history, to the serene beaches of Tel Aviv, known for its lively atmosphere and stunning Mediterranean coastline, Israel offers something for everyone. As we journey through this captivating land, you'll discover the breathtaking beauty of the Ngev Desert, the lush greenery of the Galilee, and the unique experience of floating in the Dead Sea. Each destination is steeped in stories waiting to be uncovered. So whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or a foodie eager to savor local delicacies, join us as we unveil the must-visit spots that make Israel a truly unforgettable destination. Jerusalem stands as a profound spiritual center, revered by Judaism, Christianity, and Islam alike. This ancient city is home to some of the most significant religious sites in the world. The Western Wall, a sacred remnant of the Second Temple, draws countless visitors who come to pray and reflect, while the stunning Dome of the Rock, with its iconic golden dome, marks the spot where many believe the Prophet Muhammad ascended to heaven. Beyond its spiritual significance, Jerusalem is steeped in rich history and cultural diversity. The city's streets echo with stories from thousands of years, showcasing a blend of traditions and communities that coexist harmoniously. As you wander through the vibrant markets or shucks, you'll be captivated by the colorful stalls filled with spices, textiles, and handcrafted goods. Don't miss the chance to indulge in local cuisine, from savory falafel to sweet baklava, offering a taste of the city's rich culinary heritage. Jerusalem is not just a destination, it's an experience that resonates deeply with every visitor. Tel Aviv is a dazzling metropolis that perfectly embodies modernity and vibrancy, earning its reputation as the city that never sleeps. With its stunning Mediterranean coastline, the city boasts beautiful beaches where sunbathers and surfers alike flock to enjoy the sun and surf. As the sun sets, Tel Aviv transforms into a nightlife hub, with an array of bars, clubs, and live music venues that pulse with energy until dawn. Culinary enthusiasts will find themselves in paradise here, as Tel Aviv's food scene is a delightful fusion of flavors. From bustling street food stalls serving up mouth-watering shawarma and fresh falafel, to upscale restaurants offering innovative dishes crafted by world-renowned chefs, there's something to satisfy every palate. Culturally, Tel Aviv is a treasure trove of attractions, featuring stunning Bauhaus architecture that has earned the city UNESCO World Heritage status. Museums like the Tel Aviv Museum of Art showcase both contemporary and classic works, making it a haven for art lovers. In Tel Aviv, every corner invites exploration and excitement, making it a must-visit destination. The Dead Sea is truly a natural wonder, offering a unique experience that draws visitors from around the world. Renowned for its mineral-rich waters, a dip in the Dead Sea is not just a leisurely activity, it's a therapeutic journey. The high salt concentration is believed to provide numerous health benefits, including skin rejuvenation and relief from various ailments such as arthritis and respiratory issues. As you float effortlessly on the surface, surrounded by the surreal landscape of salt formations and the stark beauty of the desert, you'll feel as if you've stepped into another world. The sensation of weightlessness is unlike anything else, making it a must-try experience for anyone visiting the region. While you're in the area, don't miss the chance to explore nearby attractions like Masada, the ancient fortress perched atop a cliff, and Ein Gedi, a lush oasis with stunning waterfalls and hiking trails. The Dead Sea is not just a destination, it's an unforgettable adventure that combines relaxation, wellness, and breathtaking scenery. Nazareth holds a special place in the hearts of millions as the birthplace of Christianity, making it a significant pilgrimage site for believers. At the center of this historic city is the Basilica of the Annunciation, a stunning architectural marvel that marks the spot where the angel Gabriel is said to have announced to Mary that she would conceive Jesus. This basilica, with its beautiful mosaics and serene atmosphere, draws visitors seeking spiritual connection and reflection. The historical context of Nazareth is rich, as it was a humble village during the time of Jesus, providing a glimpse into the life and culture of early Christianity. Walking through its streets, you can feel the echoes of history and the profound impact this city has had on the Christian faith. Beyond its religious significance, Nazareth offers vibrant local markets where you can immerse yourself in the culture, sample traditional dishes, shop for handmade crafts, and engage with friendly locals. This blend of spirituality and cultural experiences makes Nazareth a must-visit destination for anyone exploring the roots of Christianity. Haifa is often celebrated as the City of Gardens, and for good reason. At the heart of this beautiful city lies the Baha'i Gardens, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that showcases breathtaking terraced gardens cascading down the slopes of Mount Carmel. These meticulously landscaped gardens not only offer stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea but also provide a serene atmosphere for visitors to explore and reflect. The harmonious design and vibrant flora create a picturesque backdrop that captivates all who visit. Beyond its gardens, Haifa boasts a rich multicultural atmosphere, where diverse communities coexist and contribute to the city's unique character. Visitors can explore a variety of attractions, from the historic German colony with its charming architecture to the bustling Carmel market, where local flavors and crafts come to life. For those seeking outdoor adventures, Haifa is perfectly situated near beautiful beaches and scenic hiking trails. Whether you're lounging by the sea or trekking through the lush landscapes of Mount Carmel, Haifa offers a delightful blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and unforgettable experiences. Eilat is renowned as a premier vacation destination, attracting travelers with its stunning beaches and vibrant atmosphere. Nestled at the northern tip of the Red Sea, Eilat boasts crystal-clear waters and sun-kissed shores, making it an ideal spot for relaxation and adventure. Visitors can indulge in a variety of water sports, from jet skiing and windsurfing to paddleboarding and sailing, ensuring that there's something for everyone to enjoy. One of Eilat's most captivating features is its vibrant coral reefs, which are a paradise for snorkeling and diving enthusiasts. The underwater world is teeming with colorful marine life, offering an unforgettable experience as you explore the rich biodiversity just a short swim from the shore. As the sun sets, Eilat comes alive with a bustling nightlife scene. From lively beach bars and nightclubs to family-friendly entertainment options, there's no shortage of ways to unwind after a day of adventure. With its combination of natural beauty, thrilling activities, and vibrant nightlife, Eilat truly stands out as a must-visit destination for any traveler seeking a memorable getaway. In this video, we've taken you on a journey through some of the most remarkable destinations in Israel, showcasing the incredible diversity of experiences this country has to offer. From the spiritual significance of Jerusalem and the modern vibrancy of Tel Aviv to the natural wonders of the Dead Sea and the cultural richness of Nazareth, each location presents its own unique charm and history. We also explored the breathtaking beauty of Haifa and the exciting resort atmosphere of Eilat, highlighting the myriad of activities available, from historical exploration to thrilling water sports. We encourage you to explore these destinations for yourself and immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of culture, history, and natural beauty that Israel has to offer. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel content, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow travel enthusiasts. Your support helps us continue to bring you exciting adventures and insights from around the world. Thank you for joining us, and happy travels.